This one's a little bit on the heavy side. What could this be? I have no idea. Doesn't even say on here, right? We don't even know what it could be, but it's heavy, right? It's heavy, I'll tell you that. So waste no time. You can tell it kind of feels like it's gonna be a premium one just because of the box, right? Just because of the box itself. So got the aluminum box. That can only mean one thing, and that is a premium knife. Oh, at last, ladies and gentlemen, at last, right? We got the Ankylo, hopefully I'm saying it right, a wiping cloth and the Vosteed warranty stuff, all that in there. Let's go ahead and make some room because this thing deserves the spotlight for sure. So one of two ways. Hopefully I'm not butchering it. I probably am butchering it one way or the other, but the Ankylo or the Ankylo, right, one of the two, is this awesome knife from Vosteed. Now this one says prototype, but I believe this one is already out for sale by the time you're watching this video, and of course I would have linked it down below for you guys to check it out. And I think it works with sort of like a pivot sort of locking mechanism, very similar to that REACT PLXT that we looked at recently. Man, what an awesome knife. Definitely got some weight to it for sure. Looks like we have aluminum handles going on. Loving the frag pattern already. This one's got the black with the gold accents, which definitely gives me a lot of vibes here from the RSKAOS. It was all blacked out with the gold accents, so Vosteed loves to do that. Here's the mini Acorn, and it also has the black with the gold accents. So that's a Vosteed thing right there. We'll come back to these guys during the size comparison. So that's looking nice. Very interesting sort of pivot color, if anything. That's definitely protecting the button right there. And on the other side, we have, what is that? Two different screws on the pivot. That is different. Never seen that before. Kind of looks like a face, if you ask me, with two eyes. Other than that, we got a pocket clip here going on, standard pocket clip. And it looks like we have a back flipper, front flipper, opening hole. We got the works, guys. We got the works. So let's do a Spidey flick approach and get this thing deployed. Bam, shall we? Holy smokes. Okay, let's take a look here, right? Slowly but surely at this prototype. Again, I think the production version is already released by now. I'm a little bit behind the curve for sure. LMAX steel going on this one. Very similar to the LMAX on the Vosteed Psyop, right? Except this one got the black wash going on here. Vosteed logo, right? LMAX prototype. Flat grind on this one is sort of like a belly reverse tanto. I would call it a sheep's foot, if you would. And yeah, what's interesting to close that one now, notice the button is a little bit raised now. It just kind of came up a little bit just above the gold collar. So I'm gonna push it. Okay, for some reason that turned out to be more satisfying than I had anticipated. I can use that as a button to open it, close. Yeah, this is gonna be a fidgety knife. I'll tell you that right now. And the way this thing locks too, you got to look at a disassembly video for this guy. I'll reach out, see if I can do a disassembly video myself, perhaps closer to review time. But yeah, the way this thing works with all the internals is really, really cool. So it's basically going to work very similar to any button lock, right? Like this CJRB Pyrite here, except it's not a plunge grind button lock. It's all happening internally in here, and it's in the pivot, right? So it has a lot to do with the pivot, very similar to that REACT PLXT that we looked at recently. I don't have that one on hand anymore, but a lot of companies now, it used to be maybe last year or a year, yeah, maybe a year or so ago, it was only a company or two that had that pivot locking mechanism. But really appreciate other companies like REACT and Vosteed, you know, doing their research to come up with their own version of that pivot lock. Okay, guys, this is pretty sweet, pretty sweet. I don't know how else to explain it, but yeah, front flipper, all right, that's money. Also drop shotty on the return. Holy smokes. Back flipper, that works too. And I like how they managed to do the back flipper. It's very minimal, but it works really good with the jimping on both sides. All right, effortless front flipper. Reach around, oof, side of the index finger. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Really depends. Can it clear the middle finger? Let's try it. All right, yeah, it works, ladies and gentlemen. It sure works. Spidey flick, thumb deployment. I mean, you get the idea, right? I'm just gonna try to focus on doing the unboxing here because, as you can clearly see, I'm getting carried away with how fidgety this thing is. Now, not to mention, of course, it's very ambidextrous friendly. So here I am with my the sturdy left hand, and I'm able to get it to work here just fine. So the only thing I can think of here would be to complement this design is having a reversible pocket clip, which we don't have for some reason. And typically Vosteed does a really good job with that, right? Like on the Raccoon, right? You got a reversible pocket clip with a filler tab and all. Maybe they make a lefty version out there just for lefties so that, you know, the righty version is nice and pretty and no filler tab in sight. They have pretty much the same standard pocket clip as you can find in the Raccoon. I mean, I don't see why they will complicate that. It works, it's comfortable, right? Let's talk ergonomics here. So standard grip, I'm able to get a full purchase, right? Feels like a good 8.5, 9 out of 10, right? It is definitely on the thicker side of things, right? The handle wise. And I can forward choke, right? So if I forward choke, I get a little bit more control. You have a nice plunge grind situation here, so that's good. And I can forward choke, good amount of jimping all the way through here as far as the blade tang goes. And yeah, we can get to work here, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever it is, I'm destroying cardboard, cutting rope, doing whatever EDC task I'm working on, we can get to work. That is certainly the case. So is it me, or I think it kind of works like a liner lock? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, there's basically a bar in here that is under tension, and it basically goes in between this section right here. Right? You see this cutout right here? It basically goes in there. So it sort of works like a liner lock, but it's not a liner lock or a top liner lock. Is somewhere in the middle, because then that bar basically goes in there and it clips in place. So definitely check out this assembly video for this one. Holy smokes, how fidgety is this thing? Holy macaroni. Okay, so let's do some size comparisons here before I get myself carried away. Once again, Vosteed is just killing it recently with all of their models. There's the RSKAOS and the mini Acorn. Again, all of these rocking that black on gold aesthetics, looking really, really sweet, right? Take a look there for yourself. Here we got the Psyop, right? Full size Psyop, and the Hedgehog, looking really good as well. Kind of similar size to the Psyop for sure, and obviously bigger than the Hedgehog. Let's do some more of the typical ones here in the channel. There is the Yojimbo 2, the Manix 2. So kind of similar, comparable to the Yojimbo 2, a little bit shorter than the Manix 2. As for the Microtech bros here, we got the MSI, we got the Stitch, right? Those are going to be bigger EDCs, no doubt. Demko AD 20.5 and Kunwu Chad, right? It's definitely going to be very comparable, maybe a little bit bigger than the AD 20.5, shorter than the Chad. So somewhere in between these two for a fact. Civivi Vision FG, we got the Kizer Militaw, right? These are recommendable budget EDCs. Also linked down below, just like every other knife that you're seeing in this video, if you want to check them out. And I got reviews and unboxings on all these other knives as well, if you want to learn more detail. And last but not least, the CJRB Hectare Alt and the Vosteed Raccoon. So very similar size to the Raccoon, obviously a taller blade, taller handle, bigger, right, longer than the Hectare Alt as well. But again, just to give you a ballpark size wise where these guys land, and we already know it has amazing action. Let's see how it performs with our scientific cutting test, right? Today we're talking about indemnity contracts. Okay, anyways, just a piece of a textbook, right? Oh, what's going on here? LMAX, either okay, so I guess it has to bite really good. Maybe this prototype version has already seen plenty of action. Maybe I gotta give it a little strut. Yeah, it's not biting up until, yeah, it's not biting up until right there. You see? Okay. Yeah, so it cuts like right here. All right, let me just give this thing a quick strop, see how it does. I feel like this guy is going to need a full sharpen. It's not biting up until this point, right? So like basically this much here is not cutting, only up until, you know, basically this top part, front part. So again, this is a prototype. It has already seen some use, so this is not necessarily an indication of how the actual, you know, brand new knife that you may order will cut. And I'm sure with cardboard, right? Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular, but rather at an angle. Let's see how it does. Yeah, see, it struggles to get that initial first bite and only starts biting right in this point forward. So again, I know for a fact the LMAX from Vosteed cuts really good, like on the Psyop here, right? This is what you can expect, right? Not sure what's going on with that prototype, if it has plenty of miles of use into it or not by now, but again, same steel LMAX on the Psyop, and this thing cuts amazing, right? There's no doubt that obviously a brand new one of these, not a prototype, will cut much better than this particular unit that I'm currently checking out right now. All right, I can, let's see here. I just want to show you guys a couple of things. So price-wise on this guy is coming in at $169. And one thing I wanted to confirm, for one thing, it's called the Vanchor Lock. So it's just FYI on that. And it does have a reversible pocket clip. I just thought it was weird that, you know, they wouldn't have a pocket clip or reversible pocket clip for lefties out there. Of course, the one I have is a prototype, but it makes sense. Right, this one doesn't have the reversible, it's a prototype, but it makes sense that the production, in typical fashion from Vosteed, they put a reversible insert right there for lefties, so that makes a lot more sense now. And again, price-wise, $169. Dull hairs, which is actually pretty good for aluminum and L-Max blade. It's actually a good combination for a very unique lock right there on the Vanchor lock. Right, you guys know how it goes by now on these videos. I'm going to carry this guy here for quite some time. I'm going to try to gather as much feedback as I possibly can, and then I'm going to be dropping a comprehensive review here in the channel very soon. So if you're not yet subscribed, this would be a great time to do so. I promise you it'll be worth coming back for more. I make knife and EDC content like this on a daily basis. You will not be disappointed. And also smash that like button. It really goes a long way with the YouTube algorithm. Gets this video pushed to a larger audience. If you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link for Patreon down below, or you can support the channel right here on YouTube by becoming a channel member. You'll get access to exclusive perks. Check out the unboxing video here on the RSKAOS, and check out the Hedgehog as well, right? All of these are pretty sweet coming from Vosteed. Can't go wrong with either one of them. I'll put video cards on the screens there for you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you made it to the end, you are the real MVP. Thank you for all you do. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And I'll catch you on the next video, either this one or this one. Peace.